guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. I have some exciting news for you today. I am going to be demonstrating this new hair straightener that I got, and it is a Duval Desire Series styling iron, and this is a professional salon model. And this straightening iron is really pretty, really nice, and it goes up to 450 degrees. And I straightened my hair this morning. It is about 4:30 in the afternoon. I have the only thing that I did after straightening my hair this morning is I put a little bit of oil, like styling oil, on it, but I have not touched it or touched it up all day. My hair feels incredible, feels incredibly soft, incredibly smooth. I absolutely love this styling, this flat iron. This is just amazing. So the good news, the exciting news is that I was sent this to from the company to do a review, and I think this is a fabulous flat iron. If you are in need of a flat iron, you should definitely pick this up because I have a code for you, and I'm going to link it in the description section. It is a 70% off code. So if you need a styling iron, and trust me, this is one that you will enjoy. I have very thick coarse hair, and my hair feels amazing. And this is, like I said, I did this morning, and it is still absolutely perfect. So it's a $95 styling iron, and you're gonna get 70% off. So it's gonna be, you know, around 30 bucks. So I'm gonna show you before and after, which if you saw it in the thumbnail, you saw the before and after, but I'll show you how easy it is to straighten your hair with this Duval styling iron. And I will talk you through the video as I'm straightening it. I'll tell you a little bit about the styling iron and everything that it has. It has like ceramic plates here, so it doesn't damage your hair. And again, I just absolutely love it. It's an amazing product, well worth the money, and well worth buying it now when you can get 70% off. So thank you so much to Duval for giving that code to my subscribers, and for also sending me this flat iron. So watch the video, and if you need a straightening iron or you just like how this one works, definitely pick it up, and definitely let me know if you're going to pick it up. So anyway, guys, just keep on watching and you'll see how I straightened my hair and got this effect. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to order one or if you liked how it came out, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so this is my hair right after I wash it and blow dry it. I did not use a brush, I just blew it dry. And so now I'm just going to take it in some sections
and I have very thick hair, so I have to do quite a few sections. So this is a first pass through on my hair, and I am just taking small sections. Like I said, I have thick hair, so I have to take small sections and go slowly down with the iron. So it actually took me 15 minutes or so to complete this whole process. But you know, you do have to sometimes go over the hair more than once, but this straightening iron does a really beautiful job on the first pass. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this flat iron. So the floating tourmaline ceramic plates cushion the impact and glide over the strands without tugging for a smoother and faster style. And the tourmaline coating actually releases negative ions that help to lock in moisture and seal the hair's cuticle layer. This will actually minimize the damage to the natural structure of the hair. So the professional heating elements ensure precise, even heating and uniform heat recovery to maintain optimum heat levels while styling. And then there are variable heat settings which deliver an optimal heat up to 450 degrees for all hair types. The thicker your hair is and the coarser your hair is, the higher you want your temperature. And it also has a 360 degree swivel cord, which is nice and long, and the swivel cord makes it tangle free, and it also has a wrap on the cord which is good for storage. So all in all, this is a really great hot iron, a really great flat iron, and you can see that I basically section off my hair and take small sections and just go slowly down the entire length of my hair. And I also kind of continue to smooth it with my fingers as I go through this entire process. So I'm just gonna kind of, you know, take you through this process of straightening it out, and I'll come back when I'm getting closer to finishing it up. So we're getting closer to finishing it up. You can see that it looks really good. And then you can see when I take down the next section of my hair, how frizzy it is, how coarse it is. It definitely doesn't look smooth. So this flat iron really is making a huge difference in my hair texture. Now what I'm going to show you here is that if you want to curl your hair, this flat iron does a really good job with curling as well. You can see that you could get nice curls if you wanted to do that instead of straightening your hair. And you just, you know, can pull them out as much as you want or leave them as curly as you want. Now I'm just about ready to finish up. Now you can see really clearly here the texture of my hair. And we are done. And you can see that the back is nice and straight. It looks really, really good. I absolutely love this hair straightener. It does an amazing job. My hair feels fantastic. I'm going to be using this hair straightener from now on, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if you want to pick one of these up yourself, don't forget there's a 70% off code linked below. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.